The National Prohibition Act banned the selling and distribution of alcohol. It was a direct effect of when men came home drunk and beat their wives.
72 additional people were involved. Yo, I can't laugh during this shit.
You can laugh.
Demand was high for alcohol, so Roy Olmstead and 72 additional people were involved unlawfully possessing, transporting, and selling alcohol. This violated the National Prohibition Act. Roy Olmstead and the other petitioners employed about 50 people to run a bootlegging scheme that used sea vessels for transportation and underground storage facilities in Seattle.
Olmstead was in charge of this crazy business. This case was brought about when 4 federal prohibition officers intercepted his telephone conversations. These officers did not trespass upon the homes or the offices of Olmstead and other petitioners, but they set up equipment in the streets near the houses and in the basement of the office building. Therefore, they did not violate any laws.
After being accused of violating the National Prohibition Act, Olmstead and other petitioners went to the Supreme Court of the United States. They said that their 4th and 5th Amendments were violated by the federal agents who wiretapped their private telephone conversations without judicial approval.
The 4th Amendment states that United States citizens are protected from unreasonable searches and seizures. The 5th Amendment states that a person can be tried for a serious federal crime only if she or he has been indicted by a grand jury. This also includes criminal proceedings, due process, and eminent domain.
Chief Justice William Howard Can you pause that shit? Chief Justice William Howard Taft delivered the opinion of the court.
Who is a man that would risk his neck for his brother man? Can you dig it?
The majority decision included McReynolds, Sanford, Sutherland, and Van Deventer. The dissenting opinion of the case was by Brandeis, Holmes, Stone, and Butler. When making his decision, Taft used previous court cases like Boyd v. United States and Weeks v. United States.
The majority opinion reached a verdict that concluded that the rights of Olmstead and Company were not violated because there was no search and there was no seizure. The decision was reversed by Taft v. United States in 1967.
So I stopped at the second floor, ran across Texas. My pocket just